In this video, you'll learn how to create POS devices using a template and manage updates across multiple registers. This approach helps you roll out new devices faster and keep devices and settings consistent across your venue. Before you can start selling in person, you'll need to create a POS device enroller for each physical register in your venue. This connects the software setup to the actual hardware, so staff can log in, take payments, and print receipts. From Venue Manager, go to Apps, Point of Sale, Devices. Select Add or Create Device. Choose New Device using a template, and then select a template. Name your first device, for example, Front Desk 1, then select Save. If your POS devices share similar settings, it's best to set up one device first and then duplicate it. This saves time and helps reduce mistakes. Next, let's take a look at POS device settings. Select the newly created POS device to open it. When a POS device is created from a template, it automatically pulls in the template settings as defaults. You can adjust some of these settings for an individual register, like the starting float or mass redemption. These changes only apply to this device and won't affect the template or other registers. You'll also see options related to device printers, but we won't configure those in this video. If you need to make changes to the POS menu, it's best to do that in the template. If you unlock and edit the menu directly on a device, you'll see a warning. Continuing past that warning will unlink the device from the template, which means future template updates won't apply to this device. Now let's see how editing a template pushes changes to your POS devices. Imagine you've just added a new activity at your venue, like a rock climbing wall, and you want to start selling it at the front desk. From Venue Manager, go to Apps, Point of Sale, then Templates. Select your template. Choose Unlock to edit, and confirm by selecting Yes, Edit Template. Add a new menu. For example, rock climbing. Then select Save. By updating the template once, the change is automatically applied to every POS device using that template. This keeps menus consistent and saves you from updating each device individually. Let's confirm the new menu is on your POS devices. Head back to the POS Devices page and open a device that's using the template. You'll see the new menu appear right away, pulled directly from the template you updated. You now know how to create POS devices using templates, keep menus and settings in sync across registers, and roll out changes efficiently across your venue. With this setup in place, you can manage POS devices with confidence and keep every register consistent and easy to maintain.